Let's do it.
Alright, so I'm going to do a shooting test style thing with the Red Ryder there. Red Ryder BB pellet 177 caliber gun thing. Suddenly so many cars. Anyways, so we have a cardboard target over there. We're going to aim the box in the, if you can see the box in the top right corner. And we're just going to see, unfortunately I'd like to vice clamp it down and then take shots and then just get a more accurate accuracy test of the gun itself. Unfortunately, you have to lift it up every single time to load it, so that doesn't work too much. Otherwise, because if you have it like this and you keep firing and then loading like that, all the BB's going to kind of roll to the front, and then it's not going to be able to, you're not going to be able to see. No, sorry, you're not going to be able to shoot it. I started saying wrong things. Anyway, so we're going to kind of come over here, and just to add a little bit to it, I'm going to set it on this block while I'm firing. Set it on this little block while I'm firing and try and get it a little more accurate. Alright. So as I said, aiming at the top right corner. Oh. Alright, that's 10 shots. Actually, I think I'm going to do 15, just get a little better. 12. 13. Oh, that was low. 14. And one more shot. 15. Alright, I'm just gonna pick this up and I'm gonna see how I did for accuracy here. Because it's really more me than stuff. Okay, so one of them is literally right outside. One of them's here. That's another one from my shooting. There's one here, two here. There was 3 here I saw. 1 and then 2 and then 1 landed right in the middle. 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 here. And then the other ones were kind of scattered just around it. But the ones that did hit it had a nice grouping, and then the ones that were around still relatively good grouping, considering I didn't have it bolted up there and then kind of just held and firing. But if I do have a semi-automatic, I will do that. So when I get my M4 working again, when the MP7 works again, I'm going to do that. Alright, so this is the quick accuracy shooting test of the Red Ryder 177 caliber BB gun. The old model one, so I don't know anything about the new 75th anniversary or whatever modeled ones, because these are the originals. So I don't know how the new ones work. And again, I don't know if I mentioned this in the first part. If you haven't seen the review for this gun, linked up in the top here, in a little annotation bubble. Alright, that's about it. See ya.